Fixing Pubg server did not respond is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Next, close Pubg completely and restart the game. Sometimes simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues. Now, restart your device to refresh its network connections. This can help resolve any temporary network issues that may be causing the problem. Next, visit the Pubg server status page or check official social media channels to see if there are any reported server outages or maintenance periods. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Make sure that you have the latest version of Pubg installed on your device. Developers often release updates and patches to fix bugs and improve server stability. Also, clear the cache of the Pubg app on your device. This can help resolve issues related to cached data. Navigate to the settings on your mobile device, then proceed to the apps section. After that, find Pubg in the list of installed apps and enter its settings. From there, select the storage option, and finally, tap on Clear Cache. On a PC or console, check the game settings or consult the official documentation for instructions on clearing the cache. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the connection to game servers. Also, ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Pubg or its connections to the game servers. You may need to add Pubg to the list of allowed applications in your firewall settings. If the issue persists after trying all the steps, contact Pubg support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error message and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken.